It was a day of celebrating collaboration and improved wildfire prevention efforts in Butte County at the 19th Annual Butte County Fire Safe Council Wildfire Safety Summit.
What do you think, like seeing the fire department cook up like this?
I'm glad there's professionals here.
The summit brought together partners from across the board to learn about forest management projects, successes, and challenges faced in Butte County following numerous wildfires. Panels included wildfire recovery, good fire projects, and the significance of agencies partnering together not only to respond during times of emergency, but to work together to mitigate the possibility of disaster before it has a chance to strike.
Our relationships have either grown or maintained through all of our recovery efforts, and that's, I think, really difficult to do. It's a messy process. The fact that we continue to have good relationships with each other, I think, is a huge win in the entire process.
The event also highlighted the work CAL FIRE Butte County has completed over the last year, which included over 8,000 defensible space inspections from January to November, along with nearly 4,000 treated acres in fuel reduction.
One of the biggest advancements in our department was the legislature and the governor's office supporting our third shift, we refer to as the 66-hour work week change for our department. In the 4 years now that I've been here as your fire and unit chief, we've grown here 279 employees. We have about 460 employees right now.
Attendees say the summit connected them with new faces, building and strengthening relationships to enhance the county's fire defense for the new year. In Paradise, Hanny Gutierrez, the Northstate's News.